So I can show you now how to go and fine tune your selection line. So I'm going to zoom in, so I'm doing Control plus. Let's find a bit that I didn't do very well, like this little wiggle here. So I'm going to go over here into the left hand toolbar and I'm going to click Polygon Lasso tool. On your one, this might not be visible straight away, so what you might see there is like a more classic lasso, like a cowboy lasso. So if you click on that and hold down, these other options will come up, and what you want is the polygonal lasso tool. And what we're going to do is we're going to add or take away from the selection. So the selection is what is contained within the moving dotted line. And what I want to do is because this is the selection, I want to add to the selection to make this line go out here. So what I do is I hold down Shift, and I know it's tiny, but can you see that my cursor now has a little plus sign on it? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a little shape that has to return to itself. It can't just be a line, it has to be a shape where the path is complete and starts and ends where it starts again. So holding down Shift, and then I'm going to draw here, 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 all the way around, adding a little bit more in, and then there. The line is now where we want it to be. And that was, I held down Shift to get plus there. It may be the other way around on your computer, because it's either Alt or Shift for plus or minus. I'm going to show you a minus one here, because so on this one I want to take away from the selection. So I hold down Alt, and now you can see my tiny little cursor, there's a little minus sign beside the polygonal lasso tool, and I'm going to do the same but the other way. So I'm cutting away from the selection, just doing it in little bits. And you can spend ages doing this. You could go all the way around, make it all really nice. So I'm still going to do minus on this one here, so I'm holding down Alt and then I'm cutting away. Nice. And I'll do down here as well. So I'm cutting away from this part up into in between the feet. So holding down Alt. I'm clicking lots of times because it only makes straight lines. So if you click lots and lots and lots, you can sort of make it look a bit more curved, but it only behaves as straight line. Right, I need to find my original line. There we go. Right, are there any other glaring odd bits? Let's see. Let's add this bit in. So to add, I'm holding down Shift, and then I want to add this little bit of cuff here that I've missed. So let's go. And then I'm returning to my start point. I've got that there. And I'm fairly happy with the amount of hair that we've got. Hair is always difficult, but this should do for what I need.